Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 60 Cantius Flybridge. Absolutely gorgeous design, American made in Wisconsin. Big hydraulic swim platform, big hydraulic storage locker. You can see an aft facing camera there. Big easy steps to get on board. Look at this gorgeous high gloss wood table here. Big wood steps going up to the Flybridge. Huge walk-arounds. You have a nice little bar area here. You have an electric window that comes down here into the galley. Barbecue grill under here. You have docking controls on the port side and also on the starboard side over here. Just a gorgeous 60-footer. Easy egress down to the platform from both sides. We're going to walk up to the Flybridge first. This is where all the action happens. Really cool, unique center helm on this. Wide enough for two people. Lots of lounge seating. Beautiful Garmin electronics. Beautiful lounge here as well. I mean, you're right in the middle of the entertainment with the captain. The captain is not away from everybody's involved, which is really nice because most of these are owner-operator boats. Big, huge table back here to entertain and eat. You actually have a big, gorgeous Kenyan grill up here, as well as a refrigerator and an ice maker, and there's a sink underneath here as well. The stairs are real easy to get up and down on. All right, making our way into the Salon. All one level is probably the first thing you notice, in gorgeous engineered wood floors. Lots of air conditioning BTUs in here. Cabinets everywhere, upper, lower, refrigeration, convection microwave, Kohler faucets. This is the screen that goes down here. More refrigeration, more storage. And that is a dishwasher. Your TV goes up and down from when you're using it and when you're not. Look at how light and bright it is in here. Big, huge galley or salon table here for entertaining and eating. Manually opening side windows. Beautiful stitched seats for the captain and the co-captain. Garmin with the Volvo glass helm here. Really beautiful. And we go down into the foyer. Again, big, easy, beautiful steps. This is a 3-stateroom boat. First, have an awesome bunk room here, which the bottom bunk actually pulls out to make a double bed. They have their own television and hanging locker in here. And the VIP guest stateroom forward here. Big queen bed, tons of headroom. So beautifully furnished everywhere. Two-tone woods. Nice textures. Actually has a walk-in closet, people, in a 60-foot boat. Look at the size of this thing. You also have access into the guest head or day head. Gorgeous wood floors again carried throughout. Big stall shower with waterfall shower head. Solid surface counters. And you can head right back into the salon area here. Wine fridge for those late night beverages. More storage. You have a stackable washer and dryer in these two units here. And then we're back into the master suite. Such a beautiful master. This is actually a king bed in here. Nice settee over here with a little makeup area. Again, nice textures everywhere. Two-tone wood. You have another refrigerator in here, so you can keep some waters and stuff in there. Electric shades that go up and down automatically. Beautiful Samsung television. Looks like it's about a 32-inch. And of course your ensuite head with his and her sinks. Porcelain toilet. And look at the size of this master shower. Again, with the waterfall feature. Lots of storage everywhere for your clothes and belongings. And then look at the size of this master closet. Really nice setup. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Cruisers Yachts dealer here in South Florida. This is a 2024 Cruisers Yachts 60 Fly Cantius, and it is available. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.